friends. So today I'm going to teach you how to measure your dog in order to buy clothes for them. And specifically if you're ordering any of the shirts from my Etsy shop, Bailey's Way Designs. So first and foremost, thank you for all of your support, whether you're just here to watch the video to learn or you've purchased something from my Etsy shop. Either way, I appreciate you being here. So what you're going to need to take your dog's measurements is you're going to need a measuring tape and some treats. Because without them, you're going to have a hard time getting him to do what you want, unless you have a super obedient dog, which we do not. So if you don't have a measuring tape, there's a link down in the description where you can find one real cheap on Amazon. So check that out. But what we're first going to do is I'm going to talk about the three most important places. Well, the two most important. So the two most important things you're going to need to measure are around his neck and right here around his chest, which is kind of where my hands are right now. Those matter the most. If those don't fit your dog, you're going to really have a problem. Now the length, which we're going to go from here to the tail, that's a little irrelevant. Now you will need to kind of know that to make sure it's not going to be too long on your dog, but I don't think there's a such thing as too short. So again, that's more of a preference and what's best going to fit your dog. But really what matters most is the neck and the chest in order for the shirt to even fit at all. So we're going to start by making him sit. Come here. Sit. Yes, good boy. And we're going to hope that he doesn't knock those over. Wait. Yes. So we're going to take the measuring tape from the very start where it says 1, obviously. Hey, sit. This is going to take a minute. Sorry, y'all. He's, like I said, not the most obedient. Sit. Yes, good boy. Wait. Wait. We're going to wrap this around his neck and we're going to loosely take the measurement. So I'm seeing here that he's about 14 inches. You don't want to get it super tight. I can stick my fingers up through here, but the most important thing also is making sure that when you order, you're not ordering something that's exactly this 14 inches. Even though there is some movement, it's not going to give him a lot. You're going to want to get something that's at least probably 15 inches. You see how much more movement he's got there? He's a dog. He's not a human. He's going to run around. He's going to roll around. So the more space is better, but again, not too much space. So kind of stay close to that first little measurement that you got. So the next spot we need to do is we need to get his chest. Now this might be a little bit more difficult. Sit. Sit. Depending on how active your dog is. Wait. So we're going to take this by, again, the measuring tape, and we're going to roll this up under here, and it's right under his arms. So it's going to be the same thing. You want it behind the arms. It's better actually to take it if he's standing up. So I'm going to try to, hey, wait, wait. It's going to probably take some trial and error. But the number I have when he's standing up it's 20, and that's a comfortable number. When he was sitting down, it was 21. So if he's sitting down versus standing up, it does make a difference. But because when he was sitting down, it was 21, I'm going to need at least 21 inches around his little chest here in order for him to be able to comfortably stand up and sit down in the shirt that I get for him. Good boy. Yes. And then lastly, we need his length from his neck to his tail, just so you can make sure that the shirt's not going to be too long on him. So with that, we're going to just take him, and he could be standing or sitting for this, whatever you can get. So if he wears a collar, it's a lot easier. We don't put one on our guy, but his neck's about right here. So I'm going to measure from here down to his tail, and I'm seeing about 14.5 inches. So as long as the shirt that I'm buying is not longer than 14.5 inches, we should be good. Everything should fit okay. And again, remember when you're picking the size, if the size itself, let's give an example, and it says 19 inches, and your buddy measures exactly 19 inches in his chest while standing up, go a size up. Because again, if you pick exactly what his measurements are, it might be too tight. You're not going to have the wiggle room that these little guys need. But otherwise, that should be all set. If y'all have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to me, drop a comment here, leave a message with me through my Etsy shop. I'm here to help. And thank you again for all of your support, y'all. Bye.